The fetal roll looks like this. So it's basically going from a fetal position on one side to a fetal position on the other side. In between, you'll hit a star. The most important thing about it is finding the reach. So you're reaching your same side hand away from each other. So it looks like this. I'm taking the right hand and right foot and reaching them away from each other until you hit that star position, which you'll find from reaching the left arm out and the left foot out. Then continue reaching the left foot and the left hand apart as you come around into the fetal position on the other side. Then reaching back around star position, reach with the right and back into the fetal position.